running today, and I want to show you how amazing it is where I'm running. It's just these trees and the road and the sounds. Oh, it's just so soothing. Not the sound of the Jeep, but so soothing that it makes you, it makes you forget how much you're running, what intensity. I just wanted to run like 3 kilometers, but I decided to run like 3 down and 3 back because you don't even feel it here. It's so soothing. Anyway, I wanted to talk about a couple of things when you're on your fitness journey or health lifestyle journey. 3 things matter the most, and one thing I already mentioned in my previous post. Strong intention is not enough. Action is what matters. So to begin with, recognizing the fact that you need a lifestyle change is how you start, and that becomes how much you want to change your lifestyle becomes that strong intention. That's number one, and it's important to kind of have that strong intention. But strong intention is not enough. It needs to be met by action. No matter how much your intentions are strong, if you don't start it, if you don't start doing what you need to do, what's the point, right? Got to start. Wherever you are, whenever you realize, that's when you start. For a second, these trees. So beautiful. Okay, getting back to the point. The last one is commitment, guys. Most important. Okay, are you ready? Alright, so commitment to persistent patterns of positive changes is the key to any lifestyle change. Simple. You understand what I mean? It's not just commitment again. It's all about commitment to persistent positive changes. That means every day, day in, day out, you gotta repeat it. You gotta take one day at a time. And every day needs to be not perfect, but stick to your routine. Here and there, if you slip, it's okay. If you slip, get back on track instead of just maintaining a bad streak. Did you cheat today? That's fine. Tomorrow onwards, get back on track. Try to maintain it again. It's all about practicing these patterns also. Are you ready for it? Bye-bye.